Well, this is quite the interesting park, if I do say so myself. I'm out here at Fun Spot America Atlanta, checking out this park mainly for this RMC over here. Well, we had quite the journey getting here. We got on a flight this morning at like 11:30, and then because of the storms here, we got diverted to Nashville, sat there for about an hour and a half, and then spent an hour flying back here. We were supposed to spend like most of the evening here, but it's about 7:30, so, oh, it's hauling.
Dude, I'm so excited.
What are you most excited for? I don't think that's even a question.
Arieforce One!
That's really funny. They have a now open sign from 2023.
They should replace that with now closing.
I can't believe we're here. I've seen this ride for so long, and we're finally out here taking a ride. Unfortunately, as of the filming of this video, it is 8 days until this ride closes for good. So we came out here at just the right time. Let's go take our first rides. Heading up the stairs into the station. There's no one here. It's credit time. We're here on, what's this called? Just Kitty Coaster? Is it just Kitty Coaster? Okay. We're on the Kitty Coaster. There we go. Credit.
I love how this ride is just on like wooden platforms for motors. So thank you, Felix. Oh, that's nice. I'm too tall to ride this, I feel like. Second lap, here we go.
But after 5 rides, some pretty heavy rain, and gnarly humidity, that's going to do it for our visit here from Fun Spot America Atlanta. My first and only visit before this park unfortunately closes its doors on August 2nd of 2026. This park is super interesting, is the word that I can kind of describe this park as. It is really run down, I guess. I definitely wouldn't come here if this ride didn't exist. This ride makes this park worth it for me and every other enthusiast in this community. And that's why they are consistently sending full trains out here at Arieforce at 10 o'clock at night on some random Friday night. And before this park got announced to close, no crowds like this ever existed except for opening day. Josh, I know you just spent your day traveling, terrible traveling, and now we're here. What did you think of Arieforce and Fun Spot?
I think it was worth coming out here for this now elusive ARM C credit. It's definitely really good. I think it's my number 2 behind Voltron.
Oh yeah.
And I think that if you are able to, definitely come out and ride this amazing ride.
Well, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this video out before August 2nd, but I likely will. It's super unfortunate that this park is closing forever, but I can honestly understand why. No one else is in any area of the park. It's fairly run down.
This park, 1 employee per section.
Yep, 1 employee per section, and you have to ask to operate the rides. Like there was no one at Sea Serpent earlier, and we had to go ask a ride up to operate it for us. Unfortunately, Hurricane was broken, closed for weather, and the ride-offs broke it later. Pretty ironic in my opinion. We had a great day here. It's sad to see this park leave, but like I said, it's not surprising at all. I really hope someone saves this incredible roller coaster. It's one of the best roller coasters in the entire world, so it would be really unfortunate to see this never open again. That's gonna do it for our visit to Fun Spot America Atlanta. Depending on when this video is released, if you are able to come out and experience this incredible roller coaster and just support the park in its last few days, please try and make it happen, because it's a world-class roller coaster. Every enthusiast has to experience it at some point. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this guy. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.